Change2Twin, digital twin for every manufacturing SME. Change2Twin is an EU-funded project which helps manufacturing SMEs and mid-caps to deploy digital twin solutions. We are a consortium of 18 partners, and we believe that the concept of digital twin is a game changer in manufacturing. Therefore, we teamed up to provide an easy scheme for companies to acquire the right digital twin solution quickly and easily. Our scheme is unique due to its strong focus on the individual needs of companies. It covers the analysis of their digitization potential, an individual mentoring plan, and even the design and final deployment of the digital twin. We provide companies with funding, which covers the assessment of their digital fitness, their preparedness for digital twinning, as well as the deployment of the digital twin itself. For this purpose, Change2Twin cooperates with local digital innovation hubs, technology providers, and related European projects. Additionally, Change2Twin has set up a digital twin marketplace, which is a one-stop shop for technologies and related services. If you are a technology provider, we invite you to publish your offer on the Change2Twin marketplace. If you are a manufacturer, you can choose your digital twin solution provider here. In order to test the concept, Change2Twin has executed 4 pilot experiments with companies from diverse manufacturing branches. These experiments illustrate the potential of selected digital twin technologies and provide background and inspiration for other manufacturing companies. If you want to follow the 4 pilot experiments and build your own digital twin, then apply for Change2Twin funding today. Contact us for further information. Send us an email. Visit our website. Follow us on LinkedIn or join our community. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme under Grant Agreement number 951956.